Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. Welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maureen. So welcome. Today we are going to prepare fried tilapia. So this is the tilapia, yeah, and the potato. So I'm gonna start by peeling the potato because we're going to boil it first. I'll peel it. Guys, today we want to make something different apart from ugali, guys. Something different. So guys, how is your morning going, or how is your day going, guys? So I hope you're all doing fine. In my side, we are all doing fine by God's grace. Yeah. Guys, I'm done peeling the potato, so I'm gonna put it on the fire to boil. Here, I'll add in water. Yeah, that's enough. And then I'll season it with salt. That will be enough. And then I'm gonna cover it to let it boil. Let's go and grab rosemary from our garden, guys. So I'm going to get the rosemary from our mini garden, guys. So this is our garden here. Starting from here, that side, yeah, all the way there. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the rosemary. I'm going to cut some of it. I'm going to use it for cooking now. Yeah, I'll cut this one. This, I need one more, the smaller one. Yeah, I got two. And there's also tomato here. This is cherry tomato. Yeah, look guys, it's growing here. It's coming out so nice. Imagine we didn't even plant this tomato here. It just grew by itself because we used to clean vegetable here. We wash and come and pour here as a compost manure. So the tomato grow by itself. As you can see, they said you eat from the soil and then you give back to the soil and then you get it. So this is it, guys. It's so amazing, guys. Yeah. So let's go back and continue with our cooking. Since I've got it from the garden, I need to first wash it because maybe there's sand there. So that's it. I'll season it, add it there. Look at that. See? So I'll add in the pan for frying the potato. We'll first fry the potato, and then we'll go ahead and fry also fish after the potato. The fish like this, sliced like that, both sides as well. Let's check if this is ready. The oil, yeah, it's ready. That's enough. I'm going to season the fish with salt first because I want the salt to go into the fish very well. Yeah. The garlic powder there in the fish. And then sweet paprika as well. I'll rub all there. Look at that. It looks so amazing and crispy. Yeah. Yeah. Remaining the fish now. for flavor. Let me use this. Yeah. This is the onion for flavor, guys. There we go. Let's give it time to fry. Our food is ready. So our fried potato here, it's all done, guys. It's ready. And crispy tilapia, guys. Look at that. And it's ready too. Yeah. We got the sauce here. Let me grab. I'm gonna show you. See? The fish and dip it into the sauce. Look at that. Yeah. And then in my mouth. The potato. It's very delicious. So much for watching the video and subscribe to my channel. If you love the video, give it a thumb up and share with your friends and family, guys. Yeah. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video and supporting me throughout. I really appreciate it. May God bless you all. Yeah. And see you into my next video. Ciao. Bye bye.